Kusenjalo, i-Operation Dudula ibambe uqhankqalazo ngaphandle kwamagumbi okusebenzela oluntu aseJabulani aziwa nge-UBC ngenseni namhlanje ukuzama ukuthintela abanini bevenkile bakumazwe ngaphandle ukuba bangabhalisi amashishini abo. Lo mbutho ochasene nabaphambukeli uthi ufuna abantu abangaphandle banikezele ngevenkile zabo kubembe boMzantsi Afrika.
Iqela i-Operation Dudula ligcwele kwii-ofisi zikarhulumente zokubhalisa e-UCP eJabulani ukuthintela abemi bangaphandle ekubhaliseni izipaza shop zabo. Ngelithi eli lithuba labemi boMzantsi Afrika ukuba babhalise ibe ngabo abatshilayo kushishino lwezipaza shop ezilokishini.
Sizodemonstrator ukuthi lento president ayikhulumayo asingeni thina eyakhe nama-foreigner wakhe. Akuna foreigner elizoregister la for own ama-spaza shop. I mean, ama-spaza shop, the industry needs to be reserved for South Africans kuphela. Ama-foreigners mewefuna trader, they need to invest at least minimum of 5 million. Umthetho lo ukhona. You can't have 5 million and want to own a spaza shop. You need to be doing something else better lapaya. So this industry is for ama South Africans, and we can't continue burying abantwana bethu all in the hands of foreigners. It's enough now. If the president of this country wants to prioritize foreigners over his own citizens, I mean, he needs to be recalled. We are the people, we need to govern this country, and this is just the start.
Kungoku nje i-Operation Dudula ithi sele kukho iqela labemi beli ababhalisayo nabakulungeleyo ukuqalisa kweli candelo loshishino.
We have a group of South Africans right there. They are South Africans. They are here to register their businesses. We are going to support them and make sure they are successful and they're going to be trading successful. And all of these inspectors that are humiliating our own South Africans that are now trading in the spaza shops, every day they go there, they want bribes. We are going to deal with them very harshly because we are tired. These people must just go back home. The president talked about the 500 million that is reserved for these spaza shops to be renovated and to be cleaned. It's only about 10% of South Africans who are owning spaza shops. Is he trying to tell us that this whole 500 million is reserved for foreigners? So we can't. We're going to fight. And if today Soweto needs to be shut down, then we shall do so. We're going to mobilize, because it means this president is not our president, he's the president of foreigners. Then he must go to the foreign countries.
Kusenjalo ngethuba ewisa intetho yakhe kwiveki ephelileyo ngoLwesihlanu, umongameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthe iziphaza ezingabhaliswanga nezingayifikeleliyo imigangatho yezempilo ziya kuvalwa emva kweentsuku ezingama-21. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eJabulani.